niggas was like, why'd you say that on the end of your record? He's like, they kids won't grow, boom, boom. Honestly, I didn't write none of that shit down. I didn't write nothing. I just was blowing up on the studio to keep me from really killing these niggas. And that's what came out. But I don't have no mercy in war. They didn't have no mercy. They kids, they tried to shoot my fucking balls off.
How many broke down rappers got some shit to say? I sit and strategize in due time, a bit respect. Plus all day I puff weeds and my eyes see red. Undercover tactics, leave my enemies dead. Check this, I know you niggas got no love for me, but how the fuck your whole clique turn the thugs on me? Like misdemeanors is a small thing. You niggas ain't ready for war, let my balls hang. Bust it, I took apart your whole crew like heart. I ain't concerned, I bust on Bad Boy, Mob Deep and murder the firm. When you scream fake thugs, who the fuck you mean? Get more cream than all of y'all, nigga, fuck your team. Now Dre wanna switch sides, streets hiding war. Last year I shed tears, but I don't cry no more. Plus Jay-Z tried to play me, won't last long. Go ask King Son how it feel to have your ass gone. Listen to Rock, don't get your shit knocked, you can't win. Tell them I'm all to let the games begin. We having war games, nigga, y'all niggas can't feed this shit. Got shot 5 times, got out of jail on bail and sold 5 million. So more records than all you trick motherfuckers put together. More than the firm, more than Bad Boy, Murder, Mob Deep, more than all you bitch made.
Now won't you just signal me before you try to take another one of my folks? Took their breath so they choke, and I know I did a lot of dirt, but Grand said it wouldn't hurt. My death is coming cause I feel it, smell it when I work. Did you see me coming up? I try to take it easy, playing at the wrong place at the wrong time. I leave you with a broken mind, your whole block is fucked. Whole family is crying when the guns go bust. I went from Jersey to Cali, nigga, and seen it all. Witness niggas get their head busted and didn't fall.
I be that young nigga, Edie, rappers is fixing to come up short if y'all don't come clean. Check it, I'm at home, watching, shitting, sitting. And I see some niggas on a TV line, what a pity. Ain't nothing but a copy of a copy. Reincarnation of an imitation. Sloppy, don't even know you got these white folks laughing at you. How the hell you gon' base your lifestyle after a movie character? I'm thumping back at you, fully loaded. And you can quote it, dog niggas cash, get his rod rolling.
I'm hellbound, one nation. My destination is jailbound. Penetration, they get y'all niggas shot down, it's my time. Put your B9s and Glocks down, outlaws drop down. Shutting your whole spot down, we rock down daily. Sipping on the Baileys with Thug Passion, mashing with Mr. Machiavelli. So tell me, which one of y'all niggas want the war to be civilized? Illest killer cops and not conquering your enterprise. Criminalized thoughts when I be thinking, draw fast or haul ass when you see a nigga reaching for what? The heater. Back streets I know, critically in Italy it's like Bellissimo, but done in Mexico. Policio try to trap me, transform my Jersey army to some killer Cali khaki.
They wanna strangle me and trap me, angle to angle glasses, so you niggas can't match me when we come to the shit. I flip the cock back like a flip like
yeah, these niggas why I do it. After the fire comes the rain, after the pleasure that's pain. Even though we broke for the moment, we'll be ballin' the game. Time to make my military be prepared for the bust. Similar to niggas that's scary, get too near me, we rush. Visions are overpacked prisons, visions of niggas thug living. Precious, 3 strikes, I hope they don't test us. And polar heater, ammunition, and grace. But without a sound as we slide down, pistols and plates, they got me feeling for currency. The money be calling, it's like I'm dreaming. Seeing scenes of me ballin', participated in felonious behavior. Got the cop, 4-5, snatching niggas' pages. Label the mark, soon as we start, it was hard to quit. We started out drinking 40s, moving hard as shit. Goddamn, now I'm a grown man. Follow no one, a nigga got my own plan. Watch me,
Come here, nigga. Come on, yeah. Yo, the niggas down the block. Yo.
That nigga Moo riding the hot car. That nigga Moo got a stolen car, yo.
Come here.
Hey, yo, Moo got a stolen car.
Hey, leave me on new.
Hey, Moo,
come
that
here.
nigga yo, watch out. That nigga rolling stolen. Jersey style, nigga. That nigga Moo crazy. That nigga Moo rolling the stolen. Nigga doing donuts in the middle of the street.
Hey, diggity, watch out,
Look at that nigga. Hey, yo, look at that. K drinking a gallon of fucking Tanqueray. That nigga ain't no joke. Hey, K. Hey, Malcolm, watch out the police, nigga. Policia. Watch out, nigga. You rolling weed like fucking police, stupid nigga. Hey, yo, you got weed?
I don't know, man.
Yo, who got the strap?
I lost the herb.
Where the strap at, nigga?
I got the strap.
Hey, yo, who that? Hey, yo, who that?
Watch out. Hey, yo,
let that nigga come through the block, nigga.
Hey, come here.
Fuck wrong with y'all niggas, man? Hey, yo, get money. Hey, yo, this next one mine, yo. Next one mine.
You got
Money.